Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with an update on the muffler, tailpipe, and white pipe install on my 2000 Nissan Xterra. So, as you can see, I went ahead and mounted the pipe, the exhaust, and the white pipe. I have to excuse me because I'm under the truck and it's not easy getting around here because right now I only have the front jacked up. Normally I would be using my quick jack to lift up the truck, but right now it's busy with my motorcycle. So you can see that my white pipe is installed. Swing by here so you can see the mount right there. There's the bolts and nuts that I put on there on that side, and here we are on this side right there. All right, there you go. So in the book there's no torque specs for the nuts and bolts that go in the exhaust system. So rule of thumb, since this is a situation where you have a gasket and no given torque specs, you put it on as tight as you can physically with your own hands. Yeah, I could use a torque wrench and torque them to like 40-50 foot-pounds, but hey, as long as you snug them up nice and nice and tight, what's going to happen is it's going to seal the gasket real good and you'll have a tight seal. So, and let me bring you back over here to show you the other part that I was talking about before. Alright, so here's where I showed you guys that I had a mount for the muffler, and it was like a rubber, it was two-piece rubber, and it had like an arm that came out this way, like this and like that, but that one was totally rotted and rusted out and broken. So I went ahead and made this bracket out of some 1/4 inch by, I think this is 2 inch by 1/4 inch thick stock that I had, and this was actually this was already painted. It came with something else, so I had it there and I just used it. I bent this here and then I welded the corners to make it even stronger. And what I did was I took a cut-off wheel and I made a cut here so I can put it on a vise and bend it easier, and then welded it back to keep it stronger, and then drilled some holes, here and then here, to make sure that it mounted. As you can see, this already had a hole drilled into it before, but that's going to be fine because it's already been painted. So anyway, this is going to give it the added strength, for this not to be able to move. I mean, it's hooked up to this bracket here, which eventually over time will probably rust out and also, but for right now it's holding good. It's nice and solid. I don't have to worry about nothing. All right, and then down here, you can see over there. Actually, you know what? Let me go around and. All right, so I came to the back of the truck just to give you a different view of the hangers that I told you about before. As you can see right there, there's the hook hanger, there's the rubber piece there, and then there's this hanger right here. It's an arm, it comes straight up, and then there's the nut and washer that I put on the bolt that I put through that piece right there. And then here's the tailpipe coming all the way back out to right where the bumper is. This here I tried peeling it off, but you know what, over time it's going to get burnt off anyway. Whatever they use on here sticks on very well, so I'm not even going to worry about that. When it starts coming off, I'll just take a wire brush and just clean it off. But basically that's it. As you can see, like I said, all the way up, and it goes all the way up there. Alright guys, well, there's the update for that. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, if you're new to this channel, for more up and coming videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, take care. Bye.